Okay, so this is my pre-market analysis for IWM. It's an hour before open. And so currently it's at 254.85, right? And so uh, we are looking for maybe possibly two bounces. So just on the 5 minute chart, you have the pre-market low right here. You have the 9 EMA on the 4 hour time frame, and also you have this 200 here on the 5 minute, right? And so this is like a 30 cent range. So this is going to be my first bounce area again because you have, you know, different indicators on higher time frames. So of course you have the 200 right here, which is on the 5 minute, and then you have the pre-market low. But also right here, which is a strong one, you have the 9 EMA on the 4 hour. Now, if I add my other indicators, my pivots, I also have a pivot point on the 4 hour right here, and also a pivot point on the 4 hour right here. So my first bounce zone would be 253.91, which is this area, and then to 253.45, which is right here. So I have my first bounce should take somewhere in between here. Again, you have these two pivots on the 4 hour. You have this 9 EMA on the 4 hour, and then you have this pre-market low. And the 200 EMA, it keeps rising on the 5 minute, of course, because, as the stock moves, it's going to move. And if by chance we happen to break beneath that, our second bounce area would be right here in this area. All right. We have 253.13 all the way to 253.78. Really, the bounce should probably take place in this one because you have a pivot on the daily, you have the pivot on the 5 minute, right? And then also you have the October high. All right, so this serves as a huge bounce area. So if it does come down here, I expect a huge bounce. But we're gonna say that it gets in a little early. So this pivot right here, we're gonna include that in this bounce zone as well. All right, but really we want it to come down to here, but it may bounce earlier right here.